Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Education Path. In the previous video, we talk about decision making and the decision making process. In this video, we are going to talk about the rest parts of the decision making process. Step number 3, identify the alternatives. In this step, the basic criteria for deciding on an alternative must be set. When it comes to defining standards, corporate culture must be considered along with organizational goals. For example, profit is one of the main concerns in every decision making process. Companies do not usually make decisions that are less profitable unless it is an unusual case. In the same way, the basic principles of the problem at hand should be pointed out. Step 4, weigh the evidence. Once you have identified multiple alternatives, weigh the evidence for or against the said alternative. Take a look at what companies have done in the past to succeed in these areas and take a closer look at your organization's own gains and losses. Identify the potential disadvantages for each of your alternatives and weigh them against the potential rewards. Step 5, choose alternatives. Once you have weighed all the evidence, you are ready to choose the option that works best for you. You can also choose a combination of alternatives. Your choice in step 5 may be the same or similar to the one you placed at the top of your list at the end of step 4. Step 6, take action. Once you have made your decision, act on it. Develop a plan to make your decision tangible and achievable. Develop a project plan related to your decision and then assign tasks to your team. Step 7, review your decision. In this final step, consider the consequences of your decision and see if it meets the needs you identified in step 1. If the decision does not meet the identified requirement, you may want to repeat some of the steps in the process to make a new decision. For example, you may want to collect more detailed or some different information or look for additional alternatives. Conclusion: when it comes to making decisions, one must always weigh the positive and negative business outcomes and support the positive outcomes. This protects the organization from potential losses and keeps the company afloat. Sometimes it seems easy to avoid making decisions, especially when you get into a lot of conflict after making a tough decision.